Included in this week's portion is the tragic episode of Cain and Abel. Actually, this tragedy could be a source of strength and illuminating inspiration for us. Cain and Abel both brought offerings to God. Abel's offering was accepted because he did it in a beautiful way. Cain's offering was not accepted. It was deficient. And God tells Cain, you could repair. You could fix it. It's okay. What happened? Did Cain repair? Did Cain fix it? No. No. Torah tells us Cain was angry. Cain was upset. And we know the story. He slid down and down until he murdered his brother. What a gift it is. The power of a human to admit error. That's what Cain did not do. And what happened with Cain is he remained in his anger, remained in his frustration, and it caused, the results were devastating. We are humans. The Torah is telling us humans make mistakes. Torah is telling us not to be afraid to admit the mistake, repair, and move on. Cain's mistake was that he didn't admit that he made a mistake. He wallowed in his anger, and then the terrible tragedy occurred. It's actually an uplifting message. God recognizes our humanity. God recognizes that as humans, we're not angels. We make mistakes. And God is telling us, you can repair. Identify the error. Don't be afraid. And move on. May Hashem help us as we move into the new year, that it be a beautiful new year of growth, spiritual elevation, and that when we do make a mistake, that we be ready to acknowledge it, to admit it, fix it, and move on. And may Hashem bless us to move on from strength to strength. Have a beautiful Shabbos.